chances when say you don't want you. You know I love you and I would prove it into you. She couldn't walk away, away, away. She wanna get involved, involved, involved. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Oxytocin. I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced player on guitar. So let's get right into it. So first we have a G chord, 3, 2, open, 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 3, and then we have we also have an E minor chord, open, 2, 2, open, 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 and then we also have a C chord, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Do we have a C chord? No, we don't. We just have G, E minor, and then we have, okay, it's not even a chord. We're not going to use a chord. Okay, so the basic structure of the song is E minor, and then we go E minor, G, G, D is open, 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 2, 3, 2, but we're not going to be using all that. We're just going to be using open. This is E minor on your 6th string, and then 2, 3, that's now G, 3, 2, open, that's E minor, and then open, 2, 3, which is now G, right? 3, 2, open, so you hold your E minor, and then you go 2, G, so that 2 is 2nd fret of 6th string, so we're using it as transition from E minor to G, and then from G to E minor. If you're advanced, you can play it down, down. So that's down, up, up, down, up, down, right? Down. If you're more advanced, you can just add more. The more shreds you add in there, the better it sounds for this song particularly. So that's what you're playing most part of the song. Alright, and then we get into the I can see gray skies. That's now. So E minor. Okay, it's still the same chords, guys. So those are the only chords, and that's the only progression for this whole song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.